Welcome to Taylor Rental of Manchester. This is our product tutorial video for our coffee maker. This video is for coffee makers of all sizes. Once you get your coffee maker home, you want to remove the lid and the basket. Then you want to put in the water that is appropriate to how much coffee you want to make. The measurements are right here on the side. Once you put your water in, you want to take your basket and the stem and put it back into place. Then you want to fill it with the appropriate amount of coffee grounds. Once the coffee grounds are in the basket, you can replace the lid. Now you can plug it into any standard household outlet. Please do not use an extension cord. Once the coffee maker is plugged in, it's turned on. It usually takes 30 minutes to an hour for it to be done. Thank you for watching our product tutorial video. For all your rental needs, please call us at 860-643-2496.